Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I had been MIA for a while, but now I'm back. I'm excited to start off the year 2020 with this new video, and I do apologize. I will try to get more on top of it. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little over how I do my eyebrows, but I can go ahead and show you guys and share what I do use and what my favorites are. I can only speak for me. Please do not mind my bare face. All I did was apply foundation. I've always been the type to use pencil or shadows. I just feel like I have better control. But now I kind of tried to play with the brow cream from Morphe. It's called Mocha. That's the shade I've used previously on my eyebrow pencil before. Now that I play with it, yeah, it can be a little thicker consistency, but I think honestly it's all on how you break it. Meaning, like, if you go in with your spoolie brush or whatever and you just kind of brush it out, then you won't have that issue. Just going to not shape them or anything. Please don't mind my hair, like if I do all these hair flips or anything like that, but always, you know, make sure you clean up the hair prior to all that. Whenever I do use a pencil, it's easy on the go, very natural, soft, whatever. Or you could just get the cream. I always use an angle brush, and then, you know, need to have the spoolie on the end as well. Just gonna get some product. Oh yeah. And then literally I always start like in the middle, because the middle you can still play off the dark. And then as you work your way to the front, you can slightly stroke it and it'll be a natural blended or of a faded kind of look. I prefer more of a natural, you know, natural look. Just kind of how like your eyebrow will look, more lighter here, you know, and then fuller here towards the end. So, and then I go up and kind of start guiding it there. FYI, the snoring, I apologize. It's Melly. Melly's in the room. She's currently snoring. That girl can literally sleep through anything. So yeah, just go in and form your eyebrow, and then once you feel like you've used most of your product to shape it already, then I would say use the remaining to create your tail and feather it upwards or wherever you feel like your hair goes. I'm gonna go in and do my second eyebrow. So here I have my concealer, and then clean the bottom of my eyebrow. I'm just gonna go in and clean it up. Just kind of drag it down. Right, there we go for the most part. And if there's any leftover like harsh concealer, just clean it up. I'm gonna use a flat brush, and it helps to pick up the concealer, and I'm just gonna go above and kind of shape it and clean it up. I'm just gonna take a foundation brush and just clean it up. Sometimes the concealer can kind of spread out and get messy, but there we go. Let me go ahead and do my other eyebrow. All done shaping and forming them. Afterwards, I like to go ahead and take my brow gel, just really to hold the hair in place. There we go. Obviously it's gonna look a little bit darker than it would because I don't have any bronzer or shadow or lipstick or nothing on, literally just straight foundation, and I went in to do my eyebrows. If this video helped you guys, please let me know. I would love to hear feedback. And yeah, catch y'all next time.